Yo, we're back. We're back with another round. Another round of MCA versus the competition, baby. MCA versus the competition. My previous video, you see round one. Go back and check it out if you didn't see that. Talks about the emergency roadside assistance versus the competition. Yeah. Go see who won that. And leave a comment. Drop a comment. Drop a like. Drop a comment. And let me know who won round one. Who do you give that round to? MCA, or do you give it to the competition? Now we're here in round two. Round two, we're going to talk about legal assistance. We're going to talk about if you get in trouble with the law. We're going to talk about some stuff if you drunk driving and manslaughter, or if you can't drive and you have a wreck or hurt somebody, run a red light, all that bad stuff. We want to talk about what MCA and the competition would do. Now, I want you to be honest, because I'm going to be honest. I'm calling this fight. I'm calling this competition right down the middle. If MCA loses a round, they lose a round. If the competition wins a round, they got it, just like that. All right, so let's go. First of all, we'll start with the competition. We know who the competition again in this round is. Hopefully we do. If not, I'm going to tell you anyway. It's going to be AAA once again. AAA was the competitors in the previous round. In round two, we still going to have some more AAA competition going on. Now, let's see who wins round two. Because round one, I think it was a back and forth battle. AAA came with some hits, and MCA came with some uppercuts and some body shots. And it was a close round. I might say it was a close round. I do say that MCA did come out on top in round one. My honest opinion. So, you go check it out for yourself and see who came out in round one. Again, let's go to round two. Round two, we're going to talk about arrest and bail bonds. AAA, the $1,000 guaranteed arrest bond is for use if you're arrested for a covered minor traffic violation. A minor traffic violation, again, running red lights, you're not turning on your signal or no seatbelt, stuff like that. It's just like, in AAA words, it says it's just like having $1,000 in your wallet. That's how guaranteed this arrest bond is. It's just like having $1,000 in your pocket if you get arrested for a minor traffic violation. For more serious covered traffic violations, you are protected with a $5,000 bail bond certificate. So it's like having $5,000 in your wallet if you do something more serious. All right, which is secured by calling the nearest AAA office. Bail bonds are insured by General Insurance Company of America. The AAA bail bond certificate is provided on your statement for your convenience. Please detach the certificate and keep your membership card of laws. Tell you how to do it, such and such. AAA coming with it. AAA ain't playing no games. It says, you got for minor, we got your $1,000 in your wallet. Yeah, for a more serious thing, you can pull out your card. That's like $5,000 in your wallet. Bail bonds are insured by General Insurance Company of America. So you can rest assured that if you get a minor traffic violation or a serious traffic violation, AAA got your back. I don't know. AAA coming out with some body shots, with some uppercuts. They getting some jabs in. Looking good. Anything else on AAA? Can we find anything else? Let's see this. It says like having $1,000 guaranteed in your pocket. A direct substitute for cash in many states. You may use this certificate and your AAA card for any motor vehicle involving while under. Here we go. Let's look at this one. Membership card for any motor vehicle violations except those involving while driving under the influence, drugs, narcotics, failure to appear for violations, driving on a suspended or revoked driver license, hit and run, failure to present evidence of insurance, illegal use of falsifications or license or registration, engaging in a felony, attempting to elude the police while driving a vehicle under a commercial purpose. Okay, so what they're saying is AAA would do all those things for you, but if you are in the things I just named, hit and run, driving while drunk, intoxicated with drugs or narcotics, driving with a suspended license, failure to show registration or insurance, it won't work for you. Oh, man. So if you don't have insurance, car insurance, this will not work for you. So if you're driving and you have a traffic violation and something happens, you get pulled over, it's not like having $1,000 in your pocket if you don't have insurance. Okay? If you're involved in a hit and run, or you're driving on a suspended driver's license. Okay. Again, AAA comes with it. You got to have everything in a row. You got to have all your I's dotted and your T's crossed before AAA can help you. They want to make sure that you're legal with the government and everything else before they step in and help you. And that's understandable. It's giving them a good name and making sure they help those who want to be helped. All right, so AAA came with it. I can't lie, can't deny. Let's go and see what MCA talking about. Now, MCA, it's time for you. What's your rebuttal, MCA? What you got to say, MCA? What you going to do, MCA? MCA says, you know what? This card, when you show your card, it's like having $500 in your pocket. Oh, MCA. Oh, AAA said 1,000 now. It's like having 500 in your pocket. But in Maryland, it's acceptable for $1,000 in your pocket. The smallest amount would be 500. It's up in other states, but Maryland is the highest, which is 1,000, and the lowest is 500. So you might have something between around 700 that you might can get 800. But the lowest that you will receive will be 500. It's like having $500 in your pocket. Simply give them a call, your location, card membership on the back, your number on the back of the card, and you'll receive the assistance that you need. That's for the arrest bonds. But also for bail bonds, the MCA has something else. They added something else to it. They said, well, in bail bonds, we got something else different. We got arrest bonds, and then we have bail bonds. Bail bonds, MCA will arrange up to, catch this, $25,000 to bond to release you from incarceration. If you're driving a vehicle and charged by moving traffic law violations such as manslaughter, negligent homicide, call that toll-free number. Give them what you need assistance with, give them the number, and they'll be there to the rescue for up to $25,000 if you are incarcerated. I don't know about you, but that's good. Even though they kind of came low on the arrest bonds, and AAA kind of showed them up on that, MCA came up with something better on the back end, said, well, we're going to help you with the bail bonds. We got more money for that, $25,000 for more of a serious charge. For the lesser charge, you'll get the $500. For the serious charge, it's up to $25,000. And we already saw AAA up to a serious charge. They're going to pay $5,000 for more of a serious charge. All right. But on a serious charge for MCA, they're going to pay up to $25,000. Wow. You can't beat that at all. And then MCA say, you know what? We're going to go a little farther. Oh, man. I wasn't going to do this one, but since it's still dealing with, I guess, legal I guess I have to, huh? AAA said, not only do we cover arrest bonds, not only do we cover bail bonds, but we gonna help you with your attorney fees. I don't think AAA gave me no lawyer. No. AAA, I need a lawyer, bruh. But anyway, attorney fees. MCA coming with some haymakers now. I think I see AAA kind of wobbly over there. Attorney fees. Motor Club of America would pay up to $2,000 for your attorney to defend you against police charges resulting from driving your covered automobile. Up to $200 for a covered moving violation, non-criminal. Up to $500 covered auto-related personal injury matter. Up to $500 covered vehicle damage issues. Up to $2,000 covered negligent homicide and manslaughter. Wow. They will also help pay for some of your attorney fees to get you off. So you, MCA, water walkers. So you, YouTube family, what you think about it? Now be honest, AAA did come with it. I can't lie about that. But then MCA came with some things too. AAA just talked about monitoring serious charges from 1,000 up to 500 for a serious. AAA talked about pretty much the same thing, but it talks about 1,000 in Maryland, but a minimum of 500 for minor charges and up to 25,000 for major charges or major traffic violations. And then last of all, it talks about not only will we help you with getting out of jail and paying all of that, but we also help you with your attorney fees if you got a court date. I don't know about you, but that's a good deal. So you let me know who won round 2. Be good, stay blessed. Y'all have a good day.